Welcome back. Sun's out, lovely weather. Tina's behind me doing a spot of weeding. I'm gonna go over here and attempt to do a little job, so follow me. Here's the cherry tree. I'm going to prune it. I don't know if it's the right time of year to prune it. I'm going to take off all these lower branches and trim up the inside of the tree. So what we want is a nice sharp pair of secateurs. I'll just plop them down there. And we've got a branch like this. We've got little branches going back into the tree and crossing over each other. So we'll just take those off. And the same there. Branches coming up here, crossing over each other. Looks a bit roofless, but this tree started off very small. We actually had 3 planted along here and this is the only one that survived. And yeah, it's thinned it out a bit. You want to get like a wine glass shape, sort of all on the outside, cut off anything on the inside really. We'll keep that main one. That's thinned out now, nice, quite nice. So let's move on. So we're back in the kitchen and looking down here we've got some chilies. Let's have a look. We've got some habanero reds, some bird's eye, we've got a 7-pot coming up, you can see that in there. We've got Krishna Jolokia. So all we need to do now is get the boot jolokias and Scotch bonnets to come up. And then we'll be laughing. So it's round 2. Another day and the sun isn't shining. It's trying to break through these clouds. Forecast was cloudy for today, overcast with a spot of rain I think. So far we've just had a bit of drizzle. We're going to try and do something in the garden. That's the dogs. Lost the plot again. So I think what we're going to do is dig up the strawberries, put them into pots. They're going to go in the greenhouse because last year the strawberries that were in the hanging baskets did better than the strawberries in the ground. Strawberries in the ground did quite well, but the blackbirds got to them before we did. So the plan is to put them all in hanging baskets. And we'll just see how they fare this year, because the ones in the hanging baskets didn't get touched at all. So that's what we're going to do this afternoon. Got me pots, got me compost. I just need some strawberry plants now. Waiting for Tina to dig them up. Universal compost with horse pup in it. So it should be good. Might smell a bit. I'll have to wash my hands afterwards. Got to do the job myself. What's the point of having an assistant if you've got to do it yourself? the best pair of scissors in the district. Oh. Oh.
Maybe it doesn't smell like that other one, does it?
No. Nope. This seems to be quite good stuff. There's not massive lumps in it.
Again, I'll get some more.
So that is that with the strawberries, all potted in. I'm going to stick them in the greenhouse. It's only because Tina's been clearing this bed out, and as I said before, the blackbirds got them in there, so we're going to in pots. I've separated some of them off so they can grow a bit bigger. We'll either leave them in pots or put them in hanging baskets a bit later on. So that's that little job done.
Thank you very much.
I'm covered in compost now.
Tonight, but you don't seem to forget about yourself. Wondering how it could go so wrong, but you didn't call for help. But let me tell you about the trees and the seas, how it's all connected. The flowers and the birds and bees, the northern lights, yeah, we're all affected. Pray, 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 I'm breathing in, I'm breathing out. That's pouring into you. And so my friend, let me tell you once again, and you know that it's true. Forget about seeing it or hearing it, in the end you must feel. Forget about all you know, you need to go, it's okay to let go. Just let it go.
That's another good job done. So that's it. The last couple of days, it's getting a bit nippy now, so I'm going to pop back indoors. So we'll leave you with that. Done some weeding, potting on, bits and pieces. We, in the upcoming future, have got some seriously big projects coming up. Just still being a bit secretive on that at the minute, but I will keep you informed, so keep checking back, and there'll be some serious projects. They're pretty big projects if you're not in a wheelchair, but you know, being in a wheelchair they're even more serious. So that'll be coming up very soon. So that's it for today. So if you like this video, please click the thumbs up, that all helps the channel. Comment below, ask any questions you like, subscribe if you haven't already, and it's bye for now.